in this video, you will get a clear idea about state-wise cutoff and category-wise cutoff. Dear student, after the official release of provisional answer key by NTA, all the students have checked their marks officially. And from the feedback which I have got from all over the India, this year again a significant high number of students are scoring 720. As of now, more than 15 720 marks is confirmed from all over India, and this number will still go high, so we can expect that about 20 students might be scoring 720 out of 720. What does it indicate? It indicates that top 1 to 2% students are doing exceedingly well. It means the competition at the top is brutal. And when the competition at the top is very high, then definitely the cutoff marks increases, which we all were expecting. Now the question comes for you is, what will be the cutoff? Will it be exactly the same as 2024? Not exactly, but we cannot expect cutoff to be very low either. So to simplify your confusion, I have prepared a state-wise list of cutoff, and this will be very, very useful for you. Now here, what I have did, how I calculated the state-wise cutoff, it's very important for you to know this. See, 2024 cutoff and 2026 cutoff, there is expected a gap of 30 to 40 marks. Means this year cutoff will be about 30-40 marks below as compared to 2024. So respectively, each state, whatever is the cutoff, this year it will be 30-35 marks less than that. So now here is the list. I have prepared a list. Now this list is a cutoff marks projection as per the different states. And here I am predicting this 2026 cutoff based on subtracting 35 marks from NEET 2024, and I have taken a range of plus minus 10. And if we follow that, then we can clearly see state-wise what are the cutoff. So as you can see that in Delhi, 645 to 665 is the cutoff, and similarly OBC, EWS, SC, ST, accordingly cutoff is reducing. Same way you can see Haryana 620 to 640, Rajasthan 605 to 625, UP 600 to 625, Bihar 617 to 637, Jharkhand 600 to 620, Chhattisgarh 555 to 575, Madhya Pradesh 575 to 595, Maharashtra 600 to 620, Gujarat 610 to 630, Karnataka 560 to 580, Kerala 630 to 650, Tamil Nadu 605 to 630, Andhra Pradesh 570 to 610, Telangana 570 to 605, Punjab 590 to 610, Assam 570 to 590, Jammu Kashmir 565 to 595, Goa 575 to 605, Tripura 565 to 595, Puducherry 575 to 615, Manipur 535 to 575, Meghalaya 505 to 555, Mizoram 455 to 505, Arunachal Pradesh 555 to 505, and Sikkim 505 to 555, Andaman Nicobar 565 to 605, Dadar and Nagar Haveli 535 to 585, and Lakshadweep 525 to 495. Now you can see that as per the number of seats present in the state and the number of student filling form from this state, respective state have different cutoff. And accordingly, this is, I have mentioned it for open category, general category, OBC, EWS, SC, ST, it is also accordingly. As you can see, on an average, the difference between general, OBC and EWS, it is about. On the other hand, the difference between general and SC marks is somewhere in between 50 to 80. And with SC, ST, it is about 100 marks difference, or in some cases even more than that. So in the category wise cutoff, the variation is comparatively very vast. This will give you a very clear picture of what will be the cutoff with respect to your state and with respect to your category. Now, I hope this you will find very much helpful to get the idea about cutoff of your respective state and your respective category, because I am getting a lot of query, I am getting a lot of comments about particular state and categories. So that's why I have made this video, so that it will be very much helpful for you to have this clarity. Now, see, this is again a projection. This is again a projection. Most likely cutoff will be nearby this only, but still you don't have to be negative that I will not get a seat. If you are very nearby, even slightly lower than this, still you have a chance to get a seat. So don't lose hope. Be happy and let the time decide what will be the cutoff, and accordingly you can choose your college, or you can decide what you have to do next. So thanks all of you for engaging. If you find this very important, share it with all your friends. And still, if you have query, feel free to comment here, and I'll try to answer all of you as I am answering it in all my previous videos. So feel free to comment, and I assure you I will definitely reply.